Delhi. लाइट फुल पर वही लाइट फुल तो नहीं फुल लाइट फुल नहीं दे रही मेरी फुल नहीं है पता ही नहीं लगी जल्दी विकास
We have planes ready. We'll be sending another plane today. We are evacuating some more people from Turkmenistan. Today another plane will be going. And our missions have opened a 24-hour line for any request for evacuation. And as the situation evolves, we'll be sending more planes, more chartered flights to evacuate all Indian nationals from Iran.
Any chance that Indian Air Force will be also pressed into services if that is a requirement?
Right now, there is no such requirement, and we see no such need for the Indian Air Force right now. And we are having a good cooperation from both Armenia and Turkmenistan in evacuating our Indian nationals. And I'd like to thank the governments for the help they are giving us to evacuate our students and our nationals.
It was a time of war, and we were very uncertain what would unfold, and we were hoping that there will be a swift action, and it did. The Ministry of External Affairs and the embassy in Iran, Indian embassy in Iran, they helped us a lot. And when they came to our doorsteps and they told us we're bringing you home, and it was like, मैं अपनी माँ को देख रहा था. I felt so happy, and because airspace was closed, they firstly relocated us to Armenia through ground borders, and within one day they airlifted us back to India, to our home, to our soil, and we're very happy. And we like to thank the government of India, the Ministry of External Affairs, the embassy, the respected sir, for helping us. And I hope, because there are many Indian students and many Indian people that are still stuck in Iran, and they are relocating them to safer places, and then they will be, inshallah, they will be evacuating them to India back. I hope that they will be evacuated soon, and thank you so much.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है. We are very happy we are back to our country. So वहाँ पे हालात बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थे, तो हम बहुत खुश हैं हम अपनी कंट्री आए हैं वापस, अपने पेरेंट्स से फ्रेंड्स से मिल सकते हैं. So that's all.
आप वहाँ पर पढ़ाई के लिए गए थे?
जी, हम वहाँ पे MBBS कर रहे हैं.
कब गए थे आप? कितना वर्ष?
1 साल पहले लगभग.
तो ये जो फेस किया आपने, कुछ अगर उस मूवमेंट को
जी,
share करना
हमने मिसाइल्स को देखा जो इजराइल से लॉन्च हो रही थी, तो वो देखा हमने इंटरसेप्ट करते हुए. ईरान का डिफेंस सिस्टम उनको इंटरसेप्ट कर रहा था, एंड दैट वाज वेरी टेरिफाइंग फॉर अस टू सी दैट ऑल हैपनिंग देयर. सो
भारत के सरकार के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
we are very thankful to them that they helped us a lot.